Today I'm going on a road trip in South Africa. We're on the road again. This is going to be a 5-part series, starting in Johannesburg and ending in Plettenberg Bay. In this first episode, we are leaving Johannesburg and making our way to Graaf Reinet. I'm going to be skating in the middle of the road, messing around on railway tracks, and staying at the Drostdy Hotel. Wow. Let's go! Good morning, it's 6 a.m. We are about to start the drive. Let's do it. Let's go! Let's go!
Traffic already.
There's like 2 cars in front of us, what do you mean? So we just left Joburg and Bloemfontein is our first stop. We're gonna fill up petrol there, and then at the end of the day, the final stop is Graaf Reinet, which is 8 hours away. So let's get going. I'm just opening the cooler box here. It's time for some breakfast.
That's scary. Is that a fish? That's a little fish, man.
You see that picture? I don't know. Interpret that how you want. I don't know. I don't see that as a fish.
It's a little salmon.
We're gonna enjoy our roll. Cheers. I don't know. My dad said that could look cool. Okay, a little update.
Making good time. 3 hours to look.
We are also running pretty low on fuel. We have 65 kilometers until we are empty.
Where is that gas station?
There hasn't been much happening. It's been a long drive. I had a nap. I'm still exhausted. I could have another one. I'll see you at a garage. We just made it to a garage, so thankfully we're not going to run out of fuel. We sorted. That was quite funny. That guy was giving a thumbs up when I was taking a shot of the car there, getting petrol. But yeah, the drive hasn't been too bad so far. There's been a lot of nothing. I'm already bored a little bit. Let's get back on the road. Before we got back on the road, to fix my boredom, I decided to have a quick skate.
I can tell you're a dancer, throwing your hands in the air that you answer. When I ask you if you want it, you're a panther. I'm a little too for a boy, you a trans girl. I put on left, right, it just says cancer. I can go change if you want to. I mean no.
Let's go! Cheers. Gonna open up a Red Bull. Also, if you're watching this, anyone from Red Bull, if you want to sponsor me, I'll happily take some.
Red Bull gives you wings.
That was my ad. Buy Red Bull. Red Bull. It gives you wings.
Red Bull gives you wings.
Wings. Hands no wheel, buddy. What's the little update? Where are we at? Where are we going?
I think we're a little bit of like 50 kilometers out of Colesberg. And then I think Colesberg to Graaf Reinet is about another 100 k's.
An hour and a half to Graaf Reinet.
Yeah.
That's exciting. Not bad. We're on the road again.
On the road again.
We just crossed over the border from the Free State into the Northern Cape. We crossed over the Orange River, which leads into the Northern Cape. The Orange River is actually, I think, the largest river in South Africa. And surprisingly, the river wasn't orange.
Pretty brown.
Very proud, eh? Moving on. As you guys saw, we left this morning at 6 a.m. We've driven like 6 hours already. We just passed Colesberg. We just pulled over and we're gonna have a little bathroom break because it's been a long drive. There's not much better than a piss with a view. Also, this Audi's been pretty good. Like, it's been driving smoothly. It's been going nicely. It's got pretty good speed as well. Obviously, we're going the speed limit. Don't worry. I love my Audi A3. I got my skateboard here. I'm gonna try have a skate in the middle of the road because I think it will be a cool shot. So let's try and not get hit by a car. That was pretty cool. That's like kind of taking street skating to the extreme, no? Let me know if I was okay. I could have been better. Roads were a little bit unsmooth. What's the word? Rough. Yeah, that's it. Thanks. We found a railway track on the side of the road, and I've never actually walked on a railway track, so let's do it. Why not? Let's get a cool photo. Oh, look at those thorns. Let's go! Then we arrived in Graaf Reinet and made our way to the Drostdy Hotel where we stayed the night. Wow, welcome inside. I documented my stay there, showcasing the room. There's also this thing, I'm not too sure what it's called, but it's it's pretty comfortable. The bathroom. Yeah, this is a good bath. I could definitely have a bath in here. The pool. Water's actually not too bad. I thought it would have been colder. I'm definitely still not going to have this one. The beautiful gardens. Where to go eat in Graaf Reinet. And we also visited the Valley of Desolation. Let's go! If you want to see an in-depth tour of Graaf Reinet and the Drostdy Hotel, click the video that pops up in the top right corner of the screen. So, that is everything that we did in Graaf Reinet and at the Drostdy Hotel. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. And that's about it. I will see you guys in the next one. Red Bull, it gives you wings. Sorry for me falling.
Boring.
Huh?
Boring.
Boring?
Boring.
How's the drive going so far, Pa?
Excellent.
Excellent.
Loving my Audi. Wow. This is Red Bull. This is wings.
On the road again.